Hello everyone, myself Mahasiri from K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology, currently pursuing first year undergraduate degree on Computer Science and Engineering. I am here with Niranjana and Pandurangan to share the PPT on function generator. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss today. So what is a function generator? A function generator is a type of electronic equipment that generates repetitive waveforms such as sine wave, sawtooth waves, and triangular waves, square waves, and like that. So, in summary, a function generator is a versatile test equipment that can generate various waveforms and is essential for testing, designing, troubleshooting electronic circuits and systems. So there must be a different types of function generators, right? So there is analog function generator, digital function generator, arbitrary waveform generator, signal generators, and so on. So this is the picture of the function generator. So now we are going to see about the block diagram. So what does this block diagram consist of? It consists of signal generation, filtration, amplification. So oscillator generate a signal where filter the waveforms to the required harmonic level, and amplifier it just boosts the signal strength for the external use, and output it just delivers the generated waveform to the load. So let me see the block diagram. So for the block diagram we need generation of a wave, right? So the sine wave can be generated by any oscillator. If we consider a Wien-Brush oscillator as it given here, it defaultly generate a sine wave. So a basic waveform sinusoidal signal output operated with a function where the function can select sine wave generating circuit or square wave generating circuit. Here from these first line is for sine wave generating circuit and second line is for a square wave generating circuit. When this Wien-Brush oscillator select a square wave generating circuit, it just we want to change the sine wave to the square wave. So we use like a comparator circuit or a schematic trigger. So we can use to convert a sine wave into a square wave. So that is called as a square wave shaper, and that square wave shaper is passed to the square wave amplifier. So what does this amplifier do? It amplifies the wave to the maximum level and attenuator. So attenuator is nothing but that is used to select the required level of particular amplitude which run our experiment. So that is passed to our output. And what if it select a sine wave generating circuit? If it select a sine wave generating circuit, first the generated wave reaches the amplitude selector. And amplitude selector, how it will go is nothing but the potentiometer range to select the amplitude, and its output is passed to the sine wave amplifier, which amplifies the signal wave to the maximum level, and it is passed to the attenuator. So it is used to select the required level of particular amplitude to run our experiment, and this output is passed to the sine wave output. As we see that this function generator generates a sine wave, square wave, triangular wave, and sawtooth wave. So what is the use of this or characteristics of these waves? So sine wave is kinda smooth, cyclical, and it is used in AC power and audio. Where square wave, so sine square sharp transition ideal for digital signals and switching circuits. So triangle wave, so it's nothing but it is found in an analog circuit and timing. And sawtooth, so sawtooth is linear rise followed by the sharp drop. So that's all. I'm handovering the session to Niranjana.
Hello everyone, myself Niranjana. I will going to introduce about operating principle. So let me see about operating principle. Operating principle or converting TC to AC oscillator circuit. Function generators convert TC power into AC waveform using oscillator circuit, typically containing a combination of resistor, capacitor, and transistor. The oscillator generates a specific frequency based on component of values and feedback loops. Then we talk about mathematical model, differential equation and Fourier analysis. Behavior of function generator can be mathematically modeled using differential equation. The next topic is mathematical model, sine wave generation, oscillator equation. Sine waves are generated using Wien bridge oscillator. F represents frequency of sine wave, R represents resistance, C represents capacitance. Then we talk about frequency control model, voltage controlled oscillator VCO. Frequency of the output waveform is directly proportional to the control voltage. F is equal to KV control, uh, where F represents frequency of waveform, K represents proportionality constant, V control voltage. Thank you.
Hi, I am Pandangan. I am going to explain you the remaining topics of PPT that the Niranjana leaves from. Advantages of function wave generator. Precise control. The user can alter the waves with concerned frequency, amplitude, and waveform parameters. Wide frequency ranges. The wave can take from megahertz to microhertz of wave. Flexibility. Generation of various waveforms including user-defined profiles. Disadvantages of function wave generator. Limited output power supply where the waves contains only microvolts of power. The waves cannot be used for high powerful appliances like refrigerators, ovens, etc. Harmonic distortion. Harmonic distortion is mainly due to the mismatch of impedance in the circuit which reflects in the circuit which results in the mismatch of waves. Unwanted frequencies may be introduced during the generation. Analog and versus digital function wave generator. In analog waveform wave generator, the waves are smooth, continuous, but the accuracy is limited. Whereas in the digital function wave generator, the waves are highly accurate, flexibility, and programmable capabilities. Where this is the diagram and picture of the function wave generator. Applications of function wave generator is in many fields. In electronic design field, it is used for prototyping and testing electronic circuits. In audio testing, it is used for evaluating audio equipments and analyzing sound signals. In mechatronics, it is used for developing and controlling robotic systems and automated process. In education system, it is used for students to explain about the electronic principles and waveform properties. Thank you. I hope you all understand the topics where we discussed.